So the next problem in Thevenin's theorem, calculate the current through the branch FC using Thevenin's theorem. Okay, so you want to find the current through this branch, okay, using Thevenin's theorem. So what is the first step? You want to draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. So what is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit? Thevenin's voltage is series with the Thevenin's resistance. Okay, so here there is a load resistance, that is the 5 ohm. Okay, so load resistance கொஸ்டினில் எதில் எந்த பிரான்ச் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதுதான் நம்ம லோட் ரெசிஸ்டண்ட்டை அசியூம் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஹியர் தே ஹாவ் given us the you want to find the current through the branch FC. So here in branch there is a resistor 5 ohm, so we are assuming this is the load resistance. Okay, so RL is equal to 5 ohm, and here the IL current is the current flowing through resistor RL. So first step you want to find VThevenin. So in order to find VThevenin, what is the step? You want to open circuit the load resistor. Okay, open circuit the load resistor. So if you open circuit this load resistor, what happen? So now it is one loop and it is another loop. Okay, so idu or loop, idu or loop. So now you want to find VThevenin at this point. Okay, so in the point la irukra voltage find பண்ணனும். So in order to find this voltage, so idhula irundhu paakumbodhu என்ன தெரியுது? So here there are this resistor, either you can see from here or you can find from here. Okay, இந்த portion la irundhu find பண்ணலாம் or this portion. Okay, can find from any, so either this side or this side. Okay, இந்த சைடில் இருந்தால் நீங்கள் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். And that is VOT, VThevenin value. So this side means you want to consider these 3 resistor. இந்த சைடில் பார்க்கணும்னா these 3 resistor. Okay, so now we are finding the VThevenin from this position. இங்கேருந்து பார்க்குறோம். Okay, so இந்த voltage find பண்ணோன்னா இதில் இருக்கிற voltage தெரிஞ்சுன்னா you will get the open circuit voltage or Thevenin's voltage. Okay, open circuit voltage or Thevenin's voltage. So first, in order to find this voltage, first you need the current I1. So in order to find current I1, we are making the mesh analysis. So there are 2 loops. So in the first loop, what are the resistors? What are the resistor? 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus. So in first loop, so this loop, what you want to add all the resistors. Okay, if you add all the resistors, then what is the value? 3 plus 3, that is 6. 6 plus 4.5. Okay, then 11.5 plus 4.5, that is 16. 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20, 24. Okay, correct. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Okay, 15. Then 4.5 plus 4.5, what is the answer? 8, 9. Okay, okay, so 24. So in the first loop there are the resistor, when you add all the resistor you will get 24. Now or 1, 2, that is the common resistor in first and second. So what are the common resistor in first and second loop? 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Okay, 12. And next 2 second and first loop common resistor, again 12. So we want to mark as 12. Now second loop, what are the resistor in second loop? 3 plus 6 plus 3, that is 12. Okay, so now in this diagonal element you want mark as minus, so remaining element positive. Okay, so it is the mesh matrix. And next I1, I2, and then voltage source. Okay, you want to write the voltage source. In the first loop there is no voltage 0, second loop the voltage is 24, so it is also rising, so plus 24. Okay, plus 24. And now using calculator you can find I1, I2 value. You got I1 is equal to ampere and I2 is equal to 4 ampere. So now you want to find VThevenin. So in order to find VThevenin, so you can apply Thevenin's voltage here. So Thevenin branch FC, so plus minus, correct, plus minus. So VThevenin equal to VThevenin tracing, VThevenin equal to 3 into I1 minus I2, 3 into I1 plus 4.5 into I1. Okay, VThevenin equal to, what is the value? 3 into I1 minus I2, 3 I1, 4.5 I1. So by substituting I1, I2 value, got VThevenin equal to 9 volt. புரிஞ்சுதா? Next you want to find RThevenin. So அதில் நம்ம KVL apply பண்ணுறோம். Okay, you are applying KVL there. So next RThevenin. In order to find the Thevenin's resistance, what is the step? Open circuit the load resistance, short circuit the voltage source. Okay, you are short circuit the voltage source. Now these two resistor or series. அப்படின்னா சீரீஸ்னால் எப்படி ஒரு எண்ட் பாயிண்ட்லேருந்து இன்னொரு ரெசிஸ்டர் ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் வந்துச்சுன்னா அது வந்து என்னது நம்ம சீரீஸ் எடுக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா. ஸோ இதிலே தான் நம்ம ஆர்த்தெவனின் ஃபைன் பண்ணுறோம். ஓப்பன் சர்க்யூட் பண்ணாலும் இதில் ஃபைன் பண்ணுறதுனால இது ஒரு ஜங்ஷன் எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ these two resistor series, these two resistor series. So 7.5 and 9 ohm. Okay, and now see if you redraw the circuit, what happen? So draw AD. Okay, so AD draw பண்ணிட்டு, so here in between AD 7.5 and 4.5 are parallel. So இது ஆர்த்தெவனின் தான் ஃபைன் பண்ண போகிறோம். So here see, and next these two are again parallel, 3 ohm and 9, because it is also one junction. 3 ohm and we can't remove this because ஆர்த்தெவனின் இதில் தான் ஃபைன் பண்ண போகிறோம். அதனால் இதை ரிமூவ் பண்ண முடியாது, ஓப்பன் சர்க்யூட்னு எடுக்க முடியாது. ஏன்னா இதில் தான் ஆர்த்தெவனின் லோட் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் அக்ராஸில் தான் நம்ம என்ன ஃபைன் பண்ண போகிறோம், ஆர்த்தெவனின் ஃபைன் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ here 3 ohm and 9 ohm are parallel. So 7.5 and 4.5 are parallel, and 3 ohm and 9 ohm are parallel. After simplifying we got, then these two are series. Okay, after simplifying you got 5.062 ohm orthothevenin. Okay, so next you want to find IL. So we got VThevenin orthothevenin. IL is VThevenin by orthothevenin plus RL. So you got 9 by 10.062 is 0.894 ampere. Okay, you can see another one problem. Find the current through RL using Thevenin's theorem. You want to find the current through this load resistance. Okay, so first draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit, VThevenin, orthothevenin, and RL is equal to 4 ohm. So first you want to find VThevenin. How will you find VThevenin? Open circuit the load resistance. So you want to find VThevenin. So here there is a current source. So idhula voltage find pannumbra. So next you can find the, so here there is voltage source. So in the loop la irukra voltage da namakku idhula irukum appadina. So indha edathila, so it is open circuited. So in the voltage find panna, idhula irukra voltage find panna VThevenin kandupidikum or circuit la ulla voltage. Okay, so here in the loop eduthinga, what is the current flowing here? So it is rising. So idhula da VThevenin find panna. Okay, plus minus. So it is rising, so 25 and dropping, and it is VThevenin also dropping. Okay, so 2 into I value is, so it is in this direction and I current is upward direction. So opposite இருக்கனால நம்ம என்ன எடுக்கிறோம், -10 plus VThevenin is also dropping. Plus minus எப்பவுமே ஏலேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும். So plus minus, so VThevenin. Okay, VThevenin equal to 25. So minus 20 இந்த பக்கம் வரும்போது என்ன வரும், plus 20. Okay, plus 20, then 4. So VThevenin is equal to 45 volt. 25 plus 20, we got 45 volt. Next you want to find orthothevenin. In order to find orthothevenin, what is the step? Open circuit the load resistance, and this is the load resistance. So here you want to find orthothevenin. Okay, open circuit the current source and short circuit the voltage source. Voltage source is short pannom, current source open circuit, load resistance open circuit. So now orthothevenin இந்த வழியாக ஃபைன் பண்ணும். ஓகே தான். ஸோ இங்கே ஓப்பன் சர்க்கியூட் பண்ணனால இது இந்த ஒயரை நம்ம எடுத்து விட்டுடலாம். இங்கே வந்து இதில் தான் ஃபைன் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ திஸ் ஓப்பன் சர்க்கியூட் இஸ் நோ நீடட். ஓப்பன் சர்க்கியூட் பண்ணாலே அதில் என்னது ஒன்றுமே இல்லை, அதில் இருக்கிறத டிஸ்கனெக்ட் பண்ணி விட்டுட்டோம். So now 2 ohm and 4 ohm are series. So what is the value? 6 ohm. So now you want to find IL. In order to find IL, what is the formula? VThevenin by orthothevenin plus RL. So VThevenin value is 45. Orthothevenin plus RL is 6 plus 4, that is 10 ohm. So what is the answer? 4.5 ampere. That is IL value.